Hello, in this video I will show you how we're going to create a viewport. Insert a title block first in paper space and then create a viewport for us to place this drawing inside the paper space. So here we're going to go to layout. Here the paper size is unknown to us, so let's go to layout and let's get the information using the page setup. Here you can see the paper size is actually A4 size. So if I'm very familiar with it, but if you're still not familiar, so just go to modify. Here you can see that the paper size is ANSI, which is also A4. So here we're going to set it to A1. Let's go to ISO A1. Click OK. The rest will maintain the information. Click OK. Click close. So here we're going to measure first just to make sure it's the correct paper size. Right, should be 547. It's 574, correct? So now we have the correct dimensions of the paper size. So now we need to insert and attach the A1 title block. Click open. Let's specify on screen is 1. Specify on screen 0, 0, 0. So here we can set it near as close to this broken line, hidden line. This is the actual paper size. So here you can see that our title block is within the space of the hidden line, which is the boundary and demarcation of the paper size. So now that we have set in our title block, we can create viewport. Here we need to type in VP for viewport or MView. Let's create the first one. Let's select the second corner. Here you can see that the drawing in the model space has already transferred inside our viewport. Basically, once you double click here, it is the model space. Even though that you are still inside in the paper space, once you double click inside the viewport, you are already transferred to the model space. Here you can zoom in and zoom out. Then you can also edit the drawing here from this space. And if you want to exit out, just double click outside the boundary of the viewport line. You can move the viewport just to place it at the center of the drawing. Now our scale for this drawing is 1:100. So let's scale it. Double click on the viewport. Let's type in VP scale. So now let's place the scale as 100. Click enter. Click outside the box. So here also, just to double check it, just select the boundary of the viewport. Select properties. Here you can see the standard scale. Let's set it as 1:100. I think we haven't properly scaled it using the VP scale, so now we're placing the correct scale, which is 1:100. Close this dialog box. Now we can still extend this viewport boundary by clicking the corner and stretching it out, so the drawing will be inside the viewport line. You can adjust this one. Select here. Select also on this side, just to make sure that we have all the information shown inside the viewport. Then you can move it and place it at the center. So that is how to create a viewport in AutoCAD. Thank you.